During the lockdown in 2020, I started training different businesses, different organizations, in key knowledge areas that could help them improve their productivity, even though they were not able to meet physically in order to do work. And of course, many organizations, were not prepared for the pandemic, but of course, because of the fact that they took advantage of trainings and some of the key knowledge areas I shared with them, they were able to still survive. Their staff were still productive even though they were working remotely, and they were still able to meet their yearly targets and even exceed it because this is the age of tech. We are in a tech-driven world, and if your staff don't know how to use some basic tools, if your staff are not tech savvy, it's going to show in your company's bottom line. I like to say to most CEOs, to most executives that look, increasing your bottom line, increasing your profits in a year, every year, starts with equipping your staff with the skills they need in order to get the work done, in order to make sure that the company continues to thrive. Because without your employees, you will not be able to serve your customers. So it's important that companies invest in the training and development of their staff to empower them and to equip them with the knowledge, especially in an age where technology is improving rapidly every single day. You're watching this video because you are probably an HR personnel, or you are an executive in a medium organization or in a large organization, and I urge you to watch on, because I'm going to be sharing some key knowledge areas where I think your company can improve on in order to improve your company's bottom line in the long run. Like I said, it starts with empowering your staff, your employees, your co-workers with the knowledge they need in order to be more productive at work. Now, let me share some very interesting statistics with you. 80% of employees in a company don't have basic digital skills, don't have basic tech skills. If you were to ask your employees to list the number of tools, tech tools, ICT tools they can use, you'll be shocked with how most of them actually struggle through completing day-to-day tasks simply because they don't know how to use these tools. Nigerian companies lose about $500 million annually to cybercrime, to hacks. Now, I like to say that you might think that your organization, who knows you, I'm a small company, why hackers cannot be after me. The truth is, there's a popular line in the Ghostbusters movie, that says, ghosts are trying to tell us that you may not believe in us, but we believe in you. So hackers are also trying to tell you that it's even good that you don't believe in us. We believe in you. So yes, hackers are after you. Believe it or not. You might think that your company doesn't have money. The small one you think you have, hackers are looking for a way to get into your systems, hack you, take over your company systems, and wipe your bank account and probably hold you to ransom, right? So you can pay them some money in order for them to release your systems. And a lot of companies in Nigeria are not cyber safe. The employees don't have the basic trainings in terms of skills to know when a hack is happening or what to avoid online in order not to become a victim. Because it just takes one person in an organization not to know what to do, or not to have certain knowledge on what not to click on or what email not to open, and they get into your system and they cause damage. Now, only 40% of businesses in Nigeria have an active online presence, right? Now, most people argue. I was speaking to one of my clients, and this particular client was telling me that, well, they are a B2B business. They don't need to be active online because they're not seeking normal customers that are on social media. I say, yes, that is good and fine. But having an active online presence, having a good website, having a LinkedIn page, having a Facebook page, posting content on YouTube, is not necessarily because you want somebody to send you a DM and patronize you. It is just so that it's part of branding. Basically, it's part of branding for your business to have a notable online presence, so that even if somebody from another country wants to do business with you, the first place they go to do research or to do due diligence about your company is online. They want to go online and see what you have online, what they can find about your company online before they do business with you. And so whether you're a B2B business or a B2C business, every business needs to have an active online presence. Now, my name is Coach Ata. I'm the co-founder of Digital Skills School. We are an ICT training organization located in Nigeria, and we've train many organizations. Like I said before, I started since 2020 to train different organizations on how to, different knowledge areas that can help them improve the work they do in the organization. Because like I said, technology is evolving rapidly every day, and you and your employees need to keep up with knowledge in order to stay relevant. Otherwise, another company that is doing the same thing you are doing, that has more knowledgeable employees, will scale faster, would overtake you in the marketplace. What are some of these key knowledge areas? So first of all, we have digital productivity. So under digital productivity, we have Microsoft Office suite of tools. We have Google Workspace suite of tools. We also have virtual assistants and remote working training, and you need to have knowledge in this area. Now the second knowledge area is data and business intelligence. So under this, we have trainings like trainings in Microsoft Excel, advanced Microsoft Excel, trainings when using tools like Power BI, which is a business intelligence tool. And then the third knowledge area is project management and project efficiency. Your staff need to know how to use project management tools like Notion, like Asana, like Trello, like Slack. Very, very, very key. If you don't have the knowledge to use these setting tools, these are tools that are very good in making sure that you are efficient in managing the different projects you do on a day-to-day within your organizations. So the fourth knowledge area I train on, and the organization needs to actually have deep knowledge in, is in digital marketing. Under this, we have things like social media marketing, we have things like content creation, how to edit videos, how to post videos online, how to write good articles for your website, how to create designs that project the image of your company, how to post online, the kind of captions you should be writing on your LinkedIn post, on your Instagram post. That's what digital marketing training knowledge area it involves. There's also digital visibility, how to appear well on Google, because Google is the first place people go to, second by YouTube. So that's what is entailed in the digital marketing training knowledge area. There's also how to run ads on Google, how to run ads on social media. So it's a very, very important knowledge area. Like I said, only 40% of businesses in Nigeria have an active online presence, which is not good, right? You need to be in the faces of people in order for them to know that you exist. And then there's also the fifth knowledge area is in digital safety. We call it the cyber safe and cyber aware workspaces. So we have trainings under these knowledge areas like password management, data and information management systems. We have trainings on phishing awareness. Your employees need to know the kind of emails they will receive. That is not a business email. That is a phishing email that if they were to make the wrong move, if they were to click, if they were to press the wrong button, that email, it gives access to hackers to get into your systems and start, either impersonating you or hold you to ransom, or get into your financial, architecture and start doing damage. And then we also have something called the Employee Wellbeing Program. Employee Wellbeing Program involves things like stress management, calmness training, very, very key, very important, mental health and wellness training, personal financial literacy. And so this employee well-being training might not have a direct impact on your work you do today, but of course, if your employees are happy, if your employees are financially literate personally, right, it will help them to become better human beings, better people, and of course, you will get the best out of them in the workplace. So these are some of the things that some of our training packages cover. So these are things that I and my team, have been doing for a couple of years now in making sure that organizations are able to upskill their staff. And so some of these packages are individual. You can actually train them in just one aspect you are capable of. And these trainings are for small businesses that have, let me say, less than 5 employees, even to large businesses that have 100+ employees, right? It's very, very important that everybody is in sync. Everybody is moving with speed in acquiring knowledge, in upgrading knowledge. Because like I said, right, knowledge is evolving every day, especially in the ICT world. So I've put a link in the description of this video. It contains a more detailed proposal of some of the trainings that we offer at Digital Skills School, so that if you were to look at that full proposal, you'll be able to know where your organization falls and the kind of trainings you can take advantage of. And of course, I'm open to booking a free call with you, to doing a free session with you, to be able to know your training needs and to understand how we can come in to bridge the knowledge gap that might exist in your organization. I hope you check the link in the description and reach out to us as soon as possible.